Have you ever felt that there is a dormant power within you? Today I will reveal to you a secret that has been kept for centuries by the greatest Kabbalists in history. The Hebrew letter that can ignite your inner strength and attract divine protection into your life. Stay until the end, because at the last minute I will teach you an exclusive ritual that will change everything. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel, like and comment if you are ready to awaken this power. What if I told you that there is a letter in the sacred alphabet that can unlock a hidden force within you? An energy so powerful that Kabbalists have hidden it for centuries. Ancient wisdom says that every letter vibrates at a certain frequency, and if you learn to resonate at that frequency, inexplicable things begin to happen. People who use the power of this letter attract opportunities out of nowhere. Enemies inexplicably move away, and intuition becomes so sharp that it seems like magic. Yes, we're talking about the mysterious letter Shin, a Hebrew symbol that holds incredible powers. But how can you activate this force in your own life? The good news is that you already carry its power within you. In fact, the Shin energy is already inside your name. It's in your soul. You just don't know how to use it yet. I want to teach you. Imagine for a moment the potential you have within you. There are forces that can change your life forever, lead you to prosperity, love, and wisdom. You can be guided by your intuition, attract abundance, and protect yourself from harm. All these gifts are activated through the ancient letters. And today, I want to talk about one of them, Shin, which means fire, protection, and transformation. In this video, I'll teach you how to unlock its power step by step. Step by step, you'll understand why the teachings of Kabbalah are so important to understand the vibrations of reality. According to ancient texts, everything around us vibrates at different frequencies, even the letters that make up the words we speak. Each letter has a unique energy that can influence our lives in profound ways. And today, we'll focus on the letter Shin. But before we dive into the secrets of this letter, I want to ask you for a huge favor. If you feel a deep connection with this video and want to support me on my mission to spread Kabbalistic knowledge, please hit the like button right now. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll stay connected to the universe of knowledge and wisdom I bring you every day. Together, we can continue to explore the mysteries of the universe and manifest extraordinary changes in our lives. So take a moment to show your support. Let's move on. The letter Shin is the 20th letter of the Hebrew alphabet and is represented by the number 300. It symbolizes fire, energy, movement, and transformation. It's associated with the Sephirot of Netzach in the Kabbalah tree of life, representing vitality, endurance, and immortality. Shin is a very powerful letter as it vibrates in the higher frequencies of energy. Its essence is divine fire. Like a flame, it purifies, illuminates, and warms everything it touches. However, just as fire can burn and destroy, Shin's energy can also cause great pain if not properly directed. Therefore, Kabbalists consider Shin to be a double-edged sword, capable of both great creation and great destruction. According to tradition, the one who knows how to harness the energy of Shin can achieve great things, but the one who doesn't control it will suffer greatly. So how do you control and direct this powerful energy? One of the main tools used to activate the power of any letter is the meditation on their shapes. Shin has a unique shape similar to a flame or a spark. Meditating on this shape helps you connect with the energy it represents. Here's a simple exercise to meditate on the shape of Shin. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and imagine the letter Shin. Visualize it as a flame or a spark dancing in front of you. Focus on the unique shape of this letter, its upward movement and its pointed end. As you breathe in, feel the energy of Shin filling your body. With each exhalation, let go of tension, stress, and negative thoughts. Continue this visualization and breathing exercise for a few minutes until you feel completely relaxed and connected to the energy of Shin. Once you finish, take a few moments to reflect on the sensations you experienced during the exercise. Perhaps you felt a surge of energy, warmth, or a feeling of inner strength. These are all signs that you're connecting with the power of Shin. Remember that each person is unique, and your experience may be different. Trust your intuition and let the energy of Shin guide you. In addition to meditating on its shape, understanding the meaning and vibrations of the letter Shin is crucial for activating its power. Everything in the universe vibrates at a particular frequency, and the letter Shin vibrates at a high frequency of divine fire. To connect with this frequency, it's important to be aware of it. One way to do this is to repeat the sound of the letter Shin, taking a deep breath. Before pronouncing it, focus on the sound and vibrate it in your chest. You can do this exercise anytime, anywhere. Just remember to focus on the sound and let it resonate within you. By practicing this exercise regularly, you'll gradually connect with the frequency of the letter Shin. Another powerful way to connect with the energy of Shin is by writing it down. Writing allows you to focus on the shape and sound of the letter and connect with its meaning and vibration. Take a pen and paper and write the letter Shin several times. As you write, focus on the shape of the letter and pronounce its sound mentally. You can also write down the name of people or places that begin with the letter Shin, focusing on each letter and visualizing its meaning. By writing down these words, you'll connect with the energy of Shin and send positive vibrations to those people or places. And finally, another practice that helps activate the power of Shin is to wear jewelry or objects that represent this letter. For example, you could wear a necklace or bracelet with a pendant containing the letter Shin. Just by looking at the letter, you'll connect with its energy and meaning. You can also place objects that begin with the letter Shin in different areas of your home or workspace to attract its energy. For example, you could place a vase with flowers in the corner of a room or place a book on your desk. Remember that the letter Shin represents divine fire, energy, movement, and transformation. It's a powerful tool that can help you achieve great things, but it can also cause pain if not properly directed. By following these tips, you'll connect with the energy of Shin and harness its power in your life. Whether you want to attract abundance, improve your health, or achieve your goals, the letter Shin can be a valuable ally. Trust your intuition and allow the energy of Shin to guide you on your path. As we come to the end of this journey through the mysteries of the letter Shin, I want to invite you to keep exploring the depths of Kabbalistic wisdom. There are countless teachings and practices that can help you unlock your full potential and live a life of abundance and wisdom. Don't stop now, keep going. The universe has amazing plans for you. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In the next video, we'll dive into the depths of the letter Aleph. It's a letter full of immense power that can transform your life forever. You can't miss it. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of Kabbalah, visit my website. There you'll find exclusive content and teachings that will help you on your spiritual journey. Also, don't forget to join my social media where you'll find daily inspiration and updates on my latest content. Thank you for watching. May the blessings of the letter Shin be with you always. Until next time.